Ripple is still gaining one success after the next one in the world of finance, despite the SEC case. What has the latest financial success been? And why are XRP sales so high right now? Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out. But first, we are giving away 50 XRP coins at the end of the month to one random subscriber to start on their XRP journey. All you need to do is to like the video, subscribe and comment your thoughts on XRP in the comment section. Welcome back XRP Army. There's great news coming from our favorite crypto company. This year, Ripple became a member of the Digital Euro Association, DEA, which was established in 2013 to provide feedback on the development of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. The relationship will include the exchange of information and knowledge. It is anticipated that the connection would be principally characterized by the sharing of expertise and collaboration on educational efforts related to digital currencies, according to Jonas Gross, chairman of the Digital European Association. Ripple will help extend the technological expertise of the DEA community, according to Gross, who noted that when programs advance beyond their initial research stage, they increasingly require advice on technology design. Ripple has invested significantly in the CBDC world, says James Wallace, Ripple's vice president of central bank engagements. A spokesperson for Ripple said, "Ripple has 40 members working on CBDCs all over the world. Ripple's work in the CBDC area will be further developed," he said, alluding to the alliance's activities. By the way, did you know about this partnership? Let us know in the comment section down below. However, contrary to reports on Thursday that the European Commission would establish a framework for a digital euro by the end of 2023, today's announcement appears to have nothing to do with these allegations. When it comes to the European Union, the European Development Agency, DEA, is a think tank, whereas the European Commission, EC, is the executive arm of the EU government. For this reason, in contrast to the Commission's proposals, efforts by Ripple and the DEA are not expected to result in the establishment of a digital euro in the near future. Nonetheless, if the DEA think tank engages with lawmakers, the resulting collaboration may have an influence on the structure of a future CBDC in the United States. Ripple has previously been working with CBDCs in various capacities. In the context of digital assets, central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are digital assets that are issued on a centrally managed ledger and are related to the value of a country's primary currency. Although Ripple does not issue CBDCs, the blockchain technology that the firm employs is designed for institutions and corporations, making it a viable choice for governments looking to issue CBDCs in the future. In order to support their CBDC initiatives, some nations, like Bhutan and Palau, have chosen to work with Ripple. As of October 2021, Ripple has become affiliated with the Digital Pound Foundation, a non-governmental organization, NGO, devoted to the establishment of a Bitcoin-based digital currency, BTC, for the United Kingdom. Comment, XRP Army, if you believe this could mark the beginning of a new XRP bull run. Not only that, but there's more. Furthermore, there is even more immensely promising fundamental news for Ripple, which is responsible for the XRP's latest extraordinary success. Link2, a private investing platform, has sold all of its Ripple shares, according to Nick Burafato, director of digital assets. Link2 is a blockchain technology startup. Recent developments in the XRP case appear to be giving Ripple the upper hand in its legal battle with the Securities and Exchange Commission, which has fueled increased demand for Ripple Labs Inc. shares in recent weeks. Ripple expressed its trust in the future of Bitcoin with the acquisition of BAC shares following the completion of a $200 million Series C investment round led by Tetragon and including participation from SBI Holdings and Route 66 Ventures. While Ripple was valued at $10 billion at the time of the fundraising, which took place in late 2019 and was subsequently acquired back by the company for $15 billion, the investors received a 50% return on their investment. Additionally, the action aided the business in its efforts to regain equity from Tetragon, which had sued Ripple for $175 million following the SEC's filing of the infamous lawsuit and had won the case. A significant amount of material is likely to be revealed in the upcoming timeline in the SEC versus Ripple case, including details on the future of Ripple, XRP, and the cryptocurrency ecosystem in general. Do you agree that this is fantastic news? If yes, then make sure to like this video. According to others, the memos from Ripple do not prove that the firm and its personnel were actively marketing and promoting XRP as an investment contract subject to the jurisdiction of the SEC, as alleged. The plaintiff is anticipated to drag the issue of the SEC deliberative process privilege as long as possible, but the court is expected to rule in Ripple's favor in that case as well. However, the SEC may be able to postpone the production for months, and when it does, Ripple may be able to unearth enough evidence to bring the action to a close soon. The reply to the SEC argument on the long-term sustainability of the fair notice defense shows that the 75 cryptocurrency enforcement proceedings support Ripple's viewpoint rather than the SEC position on the issue of fair notice. Nevertheless, all of this will be explored in greater depth in the future episode, so be sure to subscribe and watch frequently into our new uploaded videos so you don't miss it. In any case, the price development of XRP can be witnessed in conjunction with all of the positive news, which is a lucky coincidence in this situation. The XRP price just broke through the bear market trendline on its 2 cents per 3 box reversal point and figure chart, indicating the commencement of a new bull market. That price break occurred when XRP broke through the 92 cents price barrier. However, the cryptocurrency promptly plummeted in value after that point. The price of XRP increased by a large amount on Saturday, and the gains have continued into the following day. When the market turned bullish, the first retreat happened, and the stock dropped to a low of 75 cents. Following the release of the US CPI data on Thursday, the price of XRP was not immune to the selling pressure that enveloped virtually all risk on markets, including the cryptocurrency. On the other side, purchasers stepped in and established a new column of X's, indicating that the price of XRP is continuing to grow at this time. Earlier this week, it seemed as though a bullish entry pattern was building, which appeared to be laying the stage for an upward breakout over a triple top formation. However, the fact that the current O column is the first reversal column since the market changed from a bear to a bull has provided a considerable lift to the market's performance. As a result, the 3-box reversal served as the entry point, rather than the breakout above the triple top pattern, as had been previously indicated. The speculative long opportunity in XRP came in the form of a buy stop order at the 3-box reversal, which triggered at 84 cents and resulted in a profit of 4 cents per unit. Because XRP is now trading at 81 cents, a potential long entry is still permissible at this time. Profit aim of $1.58 serves as the final goal, with a stop loss of 78 cents and a profit objective of 78 cents, respectively. Profit taking is more likely to occur in the neighborhood of a prior dominant subjective trend line, the black diagonal line, at the $1.15 value level, since the predicted profit target is not met before the profit objective is reached. What do you think about Ripple's latest partnership? Do you think this will be the final catalysator for a new bull run? Let us know in the comment section. If you want to continue to know about XRP, we have got 2 videos waiting for you on the end screen to check out. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Kindly note that prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered financial advice. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.